Regina for Pampered Soaps. Today we are making our rose infused soap, which we infuse with calendula oil that we have had sitting for about 8 weeks. We also simmer it first for about 6 hours, and then we also let it let it sit or cure for about 6 weeks before we actually use it. So this is kind of what it looks like here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drain this real quick on camera so we can see how much oil we are actually using. All right. Smells good. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and drain this out. Okay. Alrighty. And I'm going to let that sit there for a minute so it can drain out. And then we're going to add this to our regular oils. I'm going to come back on camera once this is completely drained out and once I have the other oils mixed up. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. I went ahead and mixed up everything off camera just so I could save time and didn't have to stop and go again. We are making the infused rose clay soap. I have already put the alcohol in the mold and I have already added the rose clay, so you can see the batter here. That's what it looks like. Everything's all mixed up and we're just going to pour it here. This is the one that is infused with the calendula oil, so it should be wonderful. This is one of my favorites that I make, that I love. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this for you guys. All right, and let's just pour. It looks like a dark red now, but it actually turns out to be more of a pink when it's finished. Not really a red. Kind of looks like a brick red when we do this part. All right, and make sure you can see that. Yeah, you guys can see. All right, and now we're just gonna put some of the calendula petals on the top here, right down the middle. Try not to put too much here. As you guys know, I'm not much for embeds and all of that, but sometimes I do add just a little bit if it has something to do with the recipe, and in this case it does. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you also know that when I do this, I like to push it down. I don't like to leave it on top, because I am a firm believer, if you're going to use this in the shower, then it shouldn't be coming off right away like that. It should be more of an exfoliant. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to push it down a little bit here, as you can see, so it's not like just sticking out on top and it's not going to just fall off. So there we go, just using my skewer. I like to hear from you guys. I like to know what kind of how-to videos, what kind of soaps you would like to see us do, or candles. Just drop us a little comment, let us know, and we'll see if we can make that for you. Okay, please find us on social media, Facebook and Instagram at Pampered Soaps. Check out our website at pamperedsoaps.com. Let me spray this with alcohol. Please like the video if you like it. That really helps us out. And subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. We do this every Saturday for you guys. All right, this one is complete. I'm going to just go ahead and cover it up. And we will be back next Saturday with another how-to video. So I look forward to hearing from you guys, your comments, and what kind of soaps you would like to see us do. So until then, be blessed, and we'll see you next Saturday.